Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Gorgeous Lady again. Today I am telling you a method to prepare shampoo at home using very simple and very effective ingredients. But before that, please, as usual, like, subscribe and share my video so that I can post more and more things that will benefit you. So the basic things that we'll need is coconut. I will be making coconut milk out of this coconut. Then I need a very mild baby shampoo or a baby wash. Here I am using Patanjali body wash gel for babies, which is completely chemical free. And this is the essential oil. This is the lavender essential oil for fragrance. You can use any other essential oil of your choice. But since lavender is good for health as well as it is very soothing, so I am using lavender. So there are two optional things also. One is the coconut oil and the other one is glycerin. So let's start with it. Now what I do is I have taken a bowl of coconut and now I put this coconut into the mixer. Okay, after putting coconut in it, I put a little water and I blend it. Okay friends, see, this is the consistency. In one bowl of coconut, nearly a glass of water goes and you need to blend it properly. Now you take a vessel and you put muslin cloth over this vessel. And now you need to pour this concoction in the muslin cloth, because what I'm interested in is the milk, the coconut milk that comes out, and you squeeze it. Okay friends, now you take this coconut milk. I am taking nearly a bowl of coconut milk. In the meanwhile, I would like to tell you that the shampoo that we are using these days, they contain surfactants which cause foaming in the shampoo, and they are the detergents which remove the dirt and oil, and it's very bad for your health because they are very toxic and they damage the liver. So this homemade shampoo, if you use it, it will help you in making your hair soft and smooth, as well as you will not have any ill effects. So this was the top to toe wash that I had taken. So I'll take nearly 4 spoonfuls of this and I mix it well. So you need to really mix it. Coconut milk is very good for your hair. It contains vitamin C, E, B1, B5, and it nourishes and strengthens your hair. It prevents baldness as well. So in India, in the southern part of Indian subcontinent, coconut is used as a cooking medium also, because it helps your hair growth, and it's very good for your hair. Okay, now see, I've mixed these two very well. Now I put two things. Curly hair, people with curly hair, they know it, that managing curly hair is very difficult. It becomes frizzy, and curly hair really demands a lot of management. So I am adding a little bit of coconut oil in it. Coconut oil again adds luster and shine, and it prevents breakage of hair. And I add 1 spoon of glycerin. So this is all optional. If you don't have dry hair, if you have normal hair, you can just skip these two things and only use the baby wash and the coconut milk. Okay, ladies, please see, I have bottled this concoction and you need to mix it again very well. Till I'm mixing, I would again like to urge that please hit the like button, you subscribe my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get an intimation whenever I upload a new video. So we are done with our shampoo. I'll show you how it is. Mine is a pump bottle. So it's very mild. It will not foam a lot, but then it will clear your hair. It will clean it properly and take out the oil and the dirt and everything, the sebum. So this is the way we use it. You can store this bottle into the refrigerator for at least 15 days or up to 4 to 5 washes. And happy hair washing. Stay away from chemicals and see you back again. Ta-da!